Hi guys, it's Mi8 We got our hands on the Mi 8 Pro. Okay, the latest addition to the Mi 8 family. So we got two new more siblings, the Mi 8 Pro and the Mi 8 Lite. So we have here the 6 gig, 128 gig gold variant. So, said and done. Okay, let's open this box up. Okay, so we can see here, it says that innovation for everybody in Chinese letters. Okay, so let's open this little box and see what's inside. We have here the USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack and the SIM card ejector pin, and here is the user manual and of course the transparent jelly case just made fit for this unit. Okay, so wow, look at the color, so attractive. Okay, so we have here the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 cable charger and of course the USB Type-C cable. Okay, so let's put this thing up. For pink theme, perfectly matched just for this phone. So, okay, let me peel this film off so you can see clearly everything. Okay, there you go. So, finally got it off. I promise you that I really love the color, and here's the in-screen fingerprint scanner similar to the Mi 8 EE. Okay, so let's test the fingerprint scan. Okay, again, it responded fast, and of course let's try the face detection. I can say that it's probably less than 0.1 second in response time. It's pretty quick, similar to my EE. Okay, I approve of it. Okay, so let's see the specs. Okay, so we can see that it's Mi 8 UD, so what it means, it's under the screen display for the fingerprint scanner. Okay, let's check the kernel. Okay, here everything's the same as the one in the EE and the Mi 8. Okay, Sony and Samsung rear camera, and of course at front Samsung sensor, then of course the OV IR to assist in the face unlocking. The camera is looking good. Okay, we'll show you more test samples. Okay, so here are some of my test samples, which is pretty good. The lighting is good, therefore, and the camera shots are pretty sharp. Okay, AI is also turned off in that case. Now let's see one of my selfies. Okay, the selfie is really good. And another one for you to take note of. This one is no AI, and this one is with AI. So you can see the sky is bluer than blue. Okay, let's see the Antutu score. We have 286,000 points, which is pretty good for the flagship of its caliber. Then let's see what's the code name of this. Okay, see, it's kind of hard to pronounce. I'll tell it to you later. Okay, so and actually this phone is pretty good. The market price is good. So look forward for more of my comprehensive review on this unit. And I'm Mi8 signing off. Thanks for watching.